Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually customize your Shopify theme. Now, there's a lot of themes that are available, and I personally feel theme is one of the most important elements when you're developing a landing page for your Shopify account. And whenever you're developing a landing page, one of the major things that contribute massively is a very good theme. Because whenever a customer comes onto your landing page and checks out your Shopify account and wants to buy something from there, they need to have something that is developed aesthetically and obviously gives a sense of quality. And that is one of the reasons a lot of individuals put a lot of emphasis on creating a good theme for their dropshipping account. And that is the reason why I highly recommend everyone Shopify, because Shopify has amazing themes that are available for free for download, and you can customize them and personalize them to a very high level. So if you don't have a Shopify account, go click in the description below on the link and you'll be able to get a Shopify account for 90 days. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Once you reach your dashboard, you'll be able to see the element over here of themes under your online store, and you'll be able to customize your theme as well. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see the theme library and the popular free themes that are available. Something that you need to note, and this is a mistake that a lot of individuals tend to make at the early stages of developing their dropshipping business, and they select a theme that is not matching their items that they're selling. Now, the product that you're selling needs to be matched with the theme that you're bringing out to your individual customers. And obviously the connection that you tend to make through the aesthetic sense of your theme needs to be applied at this moment in time. So please make sure that you select a theme that really matters and is very unique and gives you a competitive advantage in the industry. Now, you have a lot of popular themes that are available, and there is no coding needed whatsoever because the customizability and the personalization that is available with Shopify is absolutely brilliant. The current theme that we're using is called Dawn, but if you look below that, you will see the theme library where we have added the refresh theme that's available. Now, you can customize either one of them. So we're going to go ahead and customize our Dawn over here. And if you need to customize, all you need to do is click on the custom button over here. So let's go and click it. And once you click it, it will take you to the next page. On this page, you can customize all the elements that are available. Now, the thing over here that really stands out for Shopify is their editor. Now, on the left-hand side, you will be able to see the different sections that are available. Then you'll be able to see the theme settings that are available. And then you would have the apps that you need to embed over here as well, and you can easily do that by searching the different apps that you want to embed. So let's head over to the section. Once you click on the section, you'll be able to see the different sections that are available on your landing page, and each section needs to be customized. If you want to check the different pages that you have, you can easily do that by clicking on the top over here. You'll be able to see the home page, the product page, the collection list, the pages, the blogs, the blog post, the cart, and even checkout. And you can easily check and develop and customize each one of them. So let's check out the home page. So when we select the home page, you can go back over here and click on the announcement bar. Now, this is where the announcement is going to be. You can easily change whatever you want over here and customize it the way you like. Once you have done it, all you need to do is click over here and go back. Now, if you want to add announcement, you can easily click over here to add announcement. If you want to change the header, you can select the header over here and you'll be able to change this element over here. As you can see, if you want to change the background color, you can do that. So let's change it over here a little bit and make it black. You can add a logo if you want. You can change the logo if you need. You can replace it. You can remove it. You can select it as well. If you want to change and customize the width of the logo, you can do that as well by selecting it from over here. If you want to make and change the desktop logo position, you can do that. And you also have a main menu element over here that you can change. You can also change the desktop menu type as well and make it a mega menu if you like. So obviously the customizability over here is very nice, and the way they've developed it is very unique at the same time. So let's head back and check out the main element, which is the rich text. Now, this is a rich text, and over here, for example, if you want to change the rich text, you can do it. You can make it left, you can make it center, you can make it right. You can customize it the way that you want. You can increase the top padding if you need to, and you can decrease the top padding if you need to. It really depends on what you want and how you want to do it. If you want to change what's written, you can just click over here and change what's written. You can make it bold as well if you want. So the level of customization that's available is absolutely brilliant. The heading sizes could be made large, small, extra large, whatever suits your needs. And if there's anything you want to write underneath of it, you can do that as well. If you want to add a button, you can do that as well. Now, if you want to add a video, which is very important, guys, you can easily add a video. And how you add a video is very simple and straightforward. You can copy and paste any YouTube link or any link anywhere from where you want to grab your video. And as soon as you copy and paste the URL, you'll be able to see see the video that's going to be available over here. Now, obviously, one of the questions that I tend to get asked a lot is that if you want to remove any section, how do you do that? It's very simple, guys. All you need to do is go and click on these buttons over here. And once you click on it, you'll be able to see it on the high level, and you can replace it. You can move it around anywhere you want to. So if you want to delete any section, it's very simple and straightforward. For example, if you want to delete the rich section, let's click on it and just click on remove solution, and it's going to be removed. It is very easy, guys. It's very simple and straightforward. If you want to add a section, all you need to do is click add the section, and you'll be able to select the section that you want to add. And obviously you'll be able to do it very simple and straightforward, but everything is made and it's ready to use. And that is the pure element that I absolutely love about Shopify. If you click on the theme setting, you can check out the different colors that are available, and according to the colors, you can customize it the way you want. You can check the typography that's available, you can check the layout if you want to, and add anything and everything that you need to do. You can add your Twitter handles, your Facebook handles, your Pinterest, your Instagram, your TikTok, your Tumblr, your Snapchat, your YouTube, and obviously you can even have the currency codes if you want to do it. And you can check out the checkout as well, and even put an image if you need in the background. And if you click on the apps embedded, which is very important, you can search for any apps that are available. If you don't want to search, you can click on the view the apps. It'll open a new page over here where you can check all the different apps that are available that you want to integrate on your landing pages. And that is how simple and straightforward it is to customize your landing page. Now, the thing over here that I want to highlight is the fact that if you look at this button over here, it gives you a breakdown of the mobile and the desktop and the full screen. Right now, we're looking at the desktop. If you click on the mobile, it will give you a smaller version of how your landing page is going to look like to anyone that is using a mobile. And if you want to change anything from here, you can do that as well. So like, for example, if you want to remove this, you can easily remove this from here. All you need to do is select this information from here and just delete it, and it's gone. If you want to add a button over here, you can add a button over here, and you can even mention what the button does. So you, for example, if you say you want to visit a link, you'll click over here and you'll be able to check over here where the link is taking you. So let's close this from here and let's go back. If you want to put a second button, you can do that. If you want to put a second button outline, you can do that as well. You can also connect dynamic sources as well from here. So if you scroll down and say that we want to change the feature page, you can change the feature page as well. You can add a description, you can look at the collection, you can click anything you want to, and you can really make it stand out from your competition. And that is one of the reasons which makes it very simple and straightforward, because you don't need to have any background of graphic designing or web development when you are actually developing or customizing your page on Shopify, because they've done all the coding for you. All you need to do is drag and drop and customize anything and everything the way you want to. It is as simple and straightforward as that, guys. Once you have done everything that you need to do, all you need to do is click on save. And once you click on save, all the changes that you've made are going to be saved on your theme, and your theme is going to be ready to be previewed. And obviously, to go back to the main page, all you need to do is click on exit, and you'll be able to go back and check over here. And the thing that I want to mention, which a lot of individuals don't understand, is the fact that once you saved it, you'll be able to see the time date when it's been saved and the version that you're using. And that is literally how simple and straightforward it is. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. And if you have not got your Shopify account, click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days and check it out yourself. And share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple and straightforward and easy creating and customizing the theme on Shopify tends to be. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.